OSG and NSK really came together to marry our two products. OSG making high technology tools, NSK with their high-tech electric spindles. When you have just one or the other, it becomes really hard to utilize all of the great benefits and features of their respective products.
OSG spends a lot of time and effort, a lot of R&D coming up with the proper grinds, the proper angles, edges, everything, coatings to have these tools run a certain way. And when you get down into small diameter, particularly under 2 millimeter, you need RPM and precision to actually apply them correctly.
When the tools get to be very small, conventional machine spindles may not have the ability to provide high enough RPMs to run those tools at the right surface footage. And so utilizing electric spindles is a great way to be able to run the tools properly so that the customer can get the proper machining result, get the desired surface finish and the desired machining quality.
As both of us as high-tech companies, starting to move away from that generic carbide, generic 4-flute, 2-flute end mills to these higher technology tools, and you need the infrastructure and machinery to back that up.
NSK America has been looking for really to partner with a micro tool manufacturer for a long time, and OSG's finally stepped up to the plate and said, hey, I think we can make this work.
Looking at what NSK's offering in spindles is and what it's grown to be, that's really exciting and interesting from the customer's perspective, because it allows our customers to be able to use technology that works in tandem with each other.
The quality of grinds, the accuracy of the tolerances that these micro tools are made to, that marries up perfectly with the accuracy of the spindles. And to be honest, higher speeds mean you need higher accuracy. There's a lot of nice details on the logos that we can machine into a part, and it shows the level of accuracy and the quality surfacing you can do in a milling operation with these end mills and with these spindles.
The smallest size tool that we use for that, it's actually smaller than a strand of my hair, really. And so any kind of teensy weensy little deviation is just gonna crack, and then you don't even know until like 30 minutes later, and you're checking
any lack of accuracy in the spindle too, you're gonna know right away. So
we've got customers that are drilling 1,000th diameter holes. A 3,000 or 4,000th diameter hole is really, it's cakewalk. It's not difficult, And I know you guys, you have the tools to do that, and we've got the spindle to do it. I mean, our micron, less than a micron TIR, on the accuracy, and our precision collis is 0 to 2 microns. So when you start coupling parameters like that, with a tool that's 4,000th diameter or whatever, it's just
you're
phenomenal
talking
stuff.
25, 30, 45, 50,000 RPM that you're going to need in order to even be cutting the material at its appropriate speed. And just doing that on a conventional machine spindle is just not possible.
Right.
So utilizing an electric spindle is really the only solution for those types of applications when you get to those extreme small diameters for tools.
Yeah, it's a great partnership. It really is. It's two, like you said, it's two world-class companies coming together to collaborate to come up with a solution for something that the whole market is going for.
Absolutely.
Everything's getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and we both fit the bill.
Specifically when it comes to micro machining, utilizing the NSK spindle really was a benefit because it provided us with an opportunity to run the OSG tools at their ideal RPM for the material in this application.
Micro tools are beginning to be a very, very important part of the manufacturing process, whether it's in automotive or aerospace, semiconductor, all of them. Anybody that's doing small diameter, mills and drills and things like that is it's something that they have to have.